Hi, second grade families and students. This is Mrs. Anderson, and I'm going to give you a quick video about how to use Seesaw, how to be sure that you're completing all of your activities every day, and just a few other quick things. So this is our fake student named Donald Duck, and this is Donald Duck's page. As you can see, pinned to the top of his page is the note about Zoom meetings. And if you click on the note, it has more information. It has the times students need to be joining. So this is the whole group teaching link, and it is for whole group reading, whole group writing, and whole group math. And then this is the link, and Mrs. Corbell runs this link. So when you join it, it will say Mrs. Corbell will let you in just a few moments. And she will let you in shortly before those teaching times. Then down here, there is a link for our classroom. So this link is for things like morning meeting, workshop time, which literacy workshop or reading workshop is at 10:25 and math workshop is at 2:30. And students are expected to join both of those workshop times because we will be doing some differentiation and some small groups during those times. So students really benefit from that and need to join both of those times. And then read aloud, which is at 1:10. And then we will also be using this link down here for small group times and social groups. So anything that is just our class focused, we use this second link down here. And when you click that link, it will say something like, Mrs. Anderson is glad to see you. She will let you in a few minutes. So if you accidentally try and join the whole group link at the wrong time and you see that Mrs. Corbell, the note from Mrs. Corbell about she will let you in, then you know you're probably in the wrong link. Okay, so kids are doing a really great job, but that's one clue that we're giving them, that they might be in the wrong place at the wrong time. So this is that note that is pinned to the top of everyone's page. The other thing I want to point out is this right over here where it says activities, and you see that red circle with the number inside of it. If you click on that, those are all of the activities that your child needs to finish or needs to complete. So Donald Duck has quite a bit of work to do here. And so please be sure that your child has activities completed and activities finished. It's ideal that kids have things done by the end of the week so that they can enjoy their weekend and they don't have activities hanging over into the next week. So you can see activities that are in progress. Donald Duck doesn't have any, and activities that have completed, that he's completed. And again, he doesn't have any. So he just has a lot of activities to do. Another thing I want to point out is the inbox, and it is messages from me, or these are messages in this folder from Dr. Bussman. She makes a morning message for kids every day that they can watch on their own. In the notifications, like the inbox notifications, there would be things that I posted, or maybe if kids comment on the joke of the day, that would show up here. So this is Donald Duck's journal page. We're back to the journal page with the Seesaw posting for the Zoom links, and then the daily slides and all those sorts of things. Work that Donald Duck does will also show up in this journal feed. One more thing I want to show you is when you click on your child's name and you click on this file folder, these are all the things that are specific to Donald Duck. So likely your child will have some things in their math folder, in their social studies folder, in their writing and reading folders, also health folder, and probably the folder labeled fun. But this is a really good place for you to go and just check and see how they're doing, see what feedback I might have given on a particular assignment. And this is where you can find their password page and any Zoom links or things specific to Zoom links, like a video or something like that. So I hope this is a little bit helpful. This is really what I want you to be paying attention to, those outstanding assignments and helping your child finish those assignments and get them turned in. All right. Thanks, second graders, and thanks, families. We'll see you later.